Do you ever look in the mirror and see those tiny black dots all over your nose, no matter how much you wash your face? Yep, those stubborn blackheads. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove them at home using natural remedies that actually work. Before we jump into remedies, let's quickly understand what blackheads actually are. Blackheads are basically clogged pores. Our skin produces natural oil, called sebum, and sometimes this oil mixes with dead skin cells and gets trapped inside pores. When that trapped oil is exposed to air, it oxidizes. And that's what makes it look black on the surface. They're not dirt, and scrubbing harshly won't make them go away. In fact, scrubbing too hard can damage your skin. That's why we need gentle, effective methods that work with your skin, not against it. Step 1. Open the pores. Steam. First, the most important step before removing blackheads is to open up the pores. And the easiest way to do this is with steam. Here's what you do. Boil some water and pour it into a large bowl. Lean your face over the bowl, cover your head with a towel, and let the steam work on your skin for about 5 to 7 minutes. This will soften the blackheads, making them much easier to remove. It also boosts blood circulation and gives your face a nice glow. If you don't want to do full steaming, even placing a warm towel on your nose for 2 to 3 minutes can help. Home Remedy 1. Honey and cinnamon. Next, a sweet solution. Honey and cinnamon. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Apply this mixture directly to your nose and leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Honey has antibacterial properties, while cinnamon boosts circulation. Together, they help unclog pores and keep new blackheads from forming. Home Remedy 2. Egg white peel mask. One of the most popular and effective methods is the egg white peel mask. Here's how. Separate the egg white from the yolk. Apply a thin layer of egg white on your nose using a brush or your fingers. Place a strip of tissue or thin cotton on top. Add another layer of egg white on top of the tissue. Let it dry completely, then gently peel it off. When you peel it, you'll actually see blackheads and gunk sticking to the tissue. It's super satisfying, and it tightens pores at the same time. Green tea paste. Mix green tea leaves with a little water and scrub gently. Lemon juice. Acts as a natural astringent and shrinks pores. Clay mask. Bentonite or Fuller's Earth clay masks are great for oily skin and blackhead prevention. Of course, removing blackheads is only half the battle. To prevent them from coming back, wash your face twice daily with a gentle cleanser. Exfoliate once or twice a week. Avoid overusing heavy, oily products on your skin. And most importantly, never squeeze blackheads with dirty fingers. It can lead to scars and infection. And that's it. Blackheads don't have to be a nightmare. With these simple, natural remedies, you can keep your nose clear, your pores clean, and your skin glowing. All from the comfort of home. And I'd love to hear from you. Which remedy are you going to try first? Drop your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.